大家早。那今天新的一天，那现在也刚刚起床一下，那现在要准备去刷牙了。现在凉刚冲了，那刚才也吃了午餐，那现在就要上传我的影片。下午我们还要去海边，那也会记录在我的生活影片，那待会带大家一起去看吧。那现在正在收拾东西，等一下就要出发了。现在衣服全部都准备好了，那重要我的 GoPro 也带了。那现在准备收拾，然后就要出发了。现在也准备好了，那现在就出发吧。我们现在刚到了，那这里就是房间，然后海边就在这里了。然后那现在刚刚吃了早餐，那现在要回去房间，然后要去转一圈，冲梦豆，等下再拍给大家看吧。现在脸也刚刚冲好了，那等一下应该也要去吃晚餐，然后也要走走逛逛啦。
Flash a smile, I'm like, is this happening? I look your way and then of course drop everything. You walk over and ask if I'm alright. Hey, whatever it takes to break the ice. Don't walk away, there's more to say. I just need the courage to let you know what's on my mind. Like every time you pass by, something just feels right. Not apathy, it's energy locked up that's ready to scream and shout. I won't make the same mistake twice. Ready to shake up and break the ice. Maybe a joke first, maybe a pickup line, but either one of those is just a waste of time. I need a better way. I need some inspiration, something that better explains all my motivation.
3 hours later.
那现在我刚刚到家，那现在准备收拾，然后冲凉，休息一会儿。现在也刚刚冲好凉，那晚餐也吃了，那现在要去教会，那我们现在就出发吧。 好，那刚刚到家，那现在也要准备剪辑了。那前几天去玩了，那现在准备剪辑，然后就准备睡了。那这几天生活影片就到这里了。如果你喜欢，记得在底下留言，并且点个赞，记得订阅我的频道。那就到这里了，晚安 ，peace。